Hi everyone, in this tip we are going to cover a super common issue in EasyEDA. You can't find the hotkey you want and you're wondering how to set it up. First, click on the setting button in the top right corner, then go to System General. On the left menu, look for the hotkey section. At the top of the page, you'll see a config option. Here, you can switch between different hotkey schemes, like the EasyEDA STD, the professional version, or even Ultimate Designer's hotkey layout. Under Functions, click in and you'll see the list of functions along with their assigned hotkeys. You can double-click any hotkey to change it. There's also a search box. Don't search for the hotkey itself. Search for the function name you want to assign a key to. For example, if you want to draw a hotkey for draw line, just type in draw line. If it doesn't have a hotkey yet, you'll need to manually add one. In the pop-up window, assign a key that feels comfortable for you. Say F8. Once you're done, click Confirm, and it will take effect immediately. Now back on this screen, press F8 and the draw line pop-up window will appear. The whole point of hotkey is simple. Reduce mouse clicks and speed up your drawing workflow. That's it for this EasyEDA tip. See you in the next video.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.